What's up? What's happening, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're working on an '89 Mustang GT. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do to this lovely contraption here is we're gonna clean it up, see what we got to work with. Alright. Alright guys, so got the car washed. You just seen me like cleaning the floor mats. Those were in the trunk. They were pretty disgusting, but let's show what we're working with. Alright, so need a new bumper, 100%. Like that's, and not only that, it's like all cracking or whatever. So need a bumper. These doors are like really faded. I don't know what's up with this red stripe. All that needs to be painted. I think I showed you all those surface rust spots. Let's see. So it just really needs like a really good cleaning. I probably should have took out this floor and washed it like I did the last one, but I didn't. Still needs to be vacuumed. I should do that just like floor mats, but we'll get it. I think what I'm gonna do, so I cleaned off the top of the headlight or tail lights, and then like all this dirt came down after I already washed the bumper, so yay me. The trunk lid is actually not that bad, or the wing rather I should say. It's like super dirty up in there. I couldn't get in there. I think what I'm gonna do is, y'all know me, I don't care too much about looks, but this will be our daily driver. We're not doing anything crazy with this car at all. I just want it to look good. I know it's not gonna look good anytime like real soon, because I'll be moving before too long, and I'm gonna buy a house where I go, so yeah. So I need to really save up money and pay off some bills and stuff like that, so that's why we're not really doing much with the duster. It's still just in there. I need to buy a whole bunch of stuff for it, but I think this is just like a mold or a mildew buildup, but it's like pretty high. Anyway, yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand the hatch down, fix these rust spots. I feel like I might be able to grind that down to the bare metal and then give that a skim coat, and that'll be okay, you know. So just grind that down, we'll skim it, we'll take a piece of tape, run over this buddy line here to like break up the tape, block sand that out smooth, run the tape on the other side, block sand that out smooth, and it'll be good to go, you know. Same thing with here and over there as well, and all down the side. I think I'm gonna do that this weekend actually. So we'll get the trunk, the hatch and primer, and then probably the back bumper, and I think those are bumper extensions. I don't really know. This is the first GT I've ever owned. The rest of them have been coupes. I'll take it back. I had one LX hatch, Anyway, and I mean, if we got time, there's nothing really wrong with the side skirts, except for back here. It is. Somebody has painted this car or something. Anyway, I don't know if you can really pick that up on camera. What it's like. I grew up in a body shop and I couldn't even tell you what that is. Some sort of chemical reaction. So I don't know if that was paint or whatever. And then I took a like a hard bristle brush, the same thing you just see me cleaning the floor mats with, to this. I don't know if that's like mildew or whatever, but I know the car was sitting for like a long time. That's why I just cleaned all those pieces. Like starting to put the interior bits back together, and like these pieces were just disgusting. So yeah, we'll let all that stuff dry out, and then I'll probably clean the windows on the inside, vacuum it out, and then we'll probably get started on some body work. Alright guys, what we're gonna do next, you see how faded, like just the headlights, not the corner lights at all, just the headlights are faded. Got some compound and a buffer. We're gonna run over it, see if it can brighten them up at all. So let's do that. Just with that little bit of effort, it's not perfect. We're not going for perfect, we're going for way better than what it was. So this is what it did look like. This one's a little bit wet because I went ahead and sprayed it, so when it dries it'll be real dingy again. Compared to that, looks pretty good to me. So let's knock out this other one. So it came out okay. I didn't do this one for nearly as long. Well, the problem is the moisture. I don't know if you can see that water inside of there. I mean, it's on the corner light pretty bad too. This corner light's super clear, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So I'm assuming just right up here is leaking. We could get some silicone and seal it up, but as far as like drying that up, basically just wait, it'll dry itself up. So like up here is pretty clear, but still got to hit some down there. But I think what I'm gonna do right quick is, now you should be able to see it, how like it's got like a good gloss-ish almost, and then just flat and then gloss. I know the doors are all messed up, but I'm about to hit them and hit them with the buffer, see if I can bring that back to life. Because I mean, even if I get like a little bit of shine on it and it's got those spots, oh well, they still have a little bit of shine. So let's see what that does. Alright guys, so did this door too, and as you can see, this one's got a few more swirls. I mean, the other one might too, because I'm staring into the sun. I don't know how it looks on camera, because this is the GoPro, so it's a very small screen. But in person, I mean, so this is definitely lighter than that. This is way more faded. So I got the buffer working, but as soon as it kicked over, yeah, that's my pad. So good times. I was looking for, I have other pads somewhere, I just can't seem to find them. So, and you know, that put a lot of scratches in there because I didn't realize it fell off for a second because I had headphones in, but so I didn't hear the what seemed to be god awful scratching. But it's fine. We'll get our rag, we'll finish wiping everything off, like all this goo here. I mean, it looks way better than what it did before. That's all we're going for right now anyway. You know, later on down the road, I'd love to paint it. But obviously that's not going to happen for a long time. At least a year. So this is what she's looking like. I mean, the more you wipe it, the better it looks. Plus this rag is getting pretty full. So I'm gonna go grab a fresh rag I'll get to wiping it and we'll see what it looks like. All right, finished product. All we're gonna be able to do, like I said, I don't know if you can tell the difference in the two colors. So I mean, it's got buffing powder all over it, and then this is just a little bit darker. Like you can tell the paint's worse there. All right, so I think that's about all we're gonna do on the outside for now. I think tonight when I go to the store, I'll run and grab some stuff for this, and I tried to hand buff this stuff too, just to see what the wing turned out like. Not too good. So I think my main focus now is going to be the deck lid and the bumper, but we're going to do that next video, and the all the more or less the body kit, right? We'll call it the body kit. So let's see. So for the rest of this video, we're going to finish putting the interior back together, and then I think I'm going to do all this like a gloss just in the meantime, and then do all this like a matte, and you know, do all that. Probably just leave it on the car, tape it up. Like this back bumper's toast. I mean, that's probably easily fixable, but I ain't too worried about it right now. We'll just shoot it with some black for the meantime. We're looking for like a 20-footer. Try to make it look good 20 feet away. So, but scratch all that. Let's sew the interior in.
Alright guys, so I'm fighting GoPro issues. All the work that I did last night and this morning, all gone. I'm just gonna start using my phone till I get another camera. If you have a GoPro Hero 7, you might know the pain, but show what we did anyway. Alright, so I think I do have parts where I was talking about getting rid of the rust. So we did. Now it's not perfect. I wasn't going for perfect. I was going for better than what it was. I didn't even use filler. I just sanded the rust down. It actually looked okay, and then we just spray bombed it, and it don't look too bad. Like I said, I'm going for better than what it was. All we used was just some Duplicolo Perfect Matte. Now I could have went and bought some single stage jet black, but like I said, trying to go the cheapest route possible. So this is like 20. 2 cans of that was 20 bucks. Also did the bumper. The bumper didn't turn out as nice. I didn't even clear the bumper. I did clear that. That's where you see it's still drying, but I think it actually looks worse on camera than what it does in real life, but it's drying out. I mean, it's going to be orange peel pretty bad. We're outside and it's a spray can, so we'll get some 1500, smooth it a little bit of way out and buff it. I ain't too worried about it, but it almost matches the rest of the car. Remember, we buffed those doors out, they look better. That stupid red tape, yeah, I did. I taped them off just so it'd be stupid red all the way around the car. And hi Ashley. But yeah, once we unmask it, we'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here she is, all unmasked. Like I said, we was going for like a 10 foot, like try to make it look better from 10 feet away, and I think we accomplished that. Now the whole car will get painted eventually, but for right now, it's yeah, just looks good. We do need a back bumper. I didn't even clear coat it because we need a new one of those. It just hit it with some black, get rid of the red that was up there. It needs a front bumper, so we're gonna take our GT, turn it into an LX, get rid of the side skirts, and we should be good. So we'll go right here. I think I have a before picture I'll put right here. And here she is. So like I said, it's just a just try to make it look better than when we started. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I know this video is all over the place. Lost a whole bunch of footage with the GoPro being down. So remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want done to this Mustang. It's a daily driver. I'm not going to go crazy with it. I'm not going to back half it or anything like that. So we're just going to make it a fun street car. I don't really plan on any power adders. I might do a long tube header, maybe. Maybe a different cam, but that's it for me, man. Appreciate you guys as always. See you next one. Peace.